Alright, welcome back everyone. Let's fire up the bWAPP app and let's log in and let's select a bug to explore. So let's select one, and in this video let's previously we explored the SQL injection post with the search. So let's try the select one, and here we have select option and we can click on that and we are getting the results just like the one of the previous video. We explored this one. If you haven't, just I'll provide a link, just go ahead and explore that. These are just like the same, but in that we were using post request, mean we were sending request using the URL, and in this one we are using get request. The post request and the previous one we were using get request, so we are using post request. So let's intercept this request and to see what result we are getting. So turn on the intercept in the web suite and let's go back to the browser and let's select Iron Man and let's go, and we intercepted the request. Let's send this to repeater, and here we got the payload. So let's change something to see what result we are getting. So here as you can see we select movie is equal to 2. Let's change it to 1 and send the request, and here we got 200. So let's do some malicious thing with that. Here in the parameters let's change the movie, let's add some weird parameters. Let's add a single quote and apply that, and let's send this request, and still we got 200. And let's add double quotes and still we got 200. So in the previous one we used some onion select all query, so let's try that to see if that work right here as well. So you are using onion select all and table schema and table name null from information schema tables, and we are setting limit to 1 and offset also to 1 because here we are showing just one result. Here as you can see we are showing just one result, so that's why we are setting the limit and offset to 1, and we can change the offset. So let's try just this one to see what result we are getting. We applied that query and let's send this request, and to see we got 200. Let's render that to see what result we are getting. So here as you can see we got character set, which is database table name. So let's change this to something else. Let's say 6 and offset is 6 now. Let's send this request, and we got engines. Let's change this to 16. Apply this, send this request, and we are sending a post request. You can see it right here, and the file name is phpi_13.php, and we got process list. Let's change this to 36, some random things. Let's send this, and we got 200, and the result is DB says system virtual. We got some other things. Let's go so far 66 and hit enter. We got visitors. As you can see, this is interesting. We got a table name named visitors, which is some real database table. So you can play along with this. You can change the offset value to see what results you are getting. So we are showing the database names. We are showing one database at a time because this on the backend the code is written something like that. It just shows one result at a time. So that's why we are using limit 1 and offset also to 1. And to see these results in the browser, just copy the query and go back to proxy, and here just change the parameter. Let's go to parameters, and instead of 2 let's paste that one, and now let's change this to 76 and apply this. We got this, and let's power that to the browser. Let's forward and let's go back to the browser, and here we got books table, database table. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.